Today we're going to talk about the calf muscles. What you're looking at here is the gastrocnemius. It is the muscle you see when you flex your calf. We're going to start with the soleus, which is just below it. Here's the soleus muscle. It is responsible for plantar flexion. The soleus has the largest force-producing ability owing to its large physiological cross-sectional area. It is also largely made up of type 1 muscle fibers, slow twitch muscle fibers, which make up between 70 and 96% of the soleus. Therefore, training with very slow speeds may be very beneficial. Here we're going to see the soleus in plantar flexion. And going back to the gastrocnemius. The gastrocnemius is made up of the medial head as well as the lateral head. The gastrocnemius is different in that it does both plantar flexion and knee flexion as it crosses the knee joint here. The gastrocnemius is made up mostly of type 1 muscle fibers, ranging between 44 and 76%. Here we'll see the gastrocnemius performing plantar flexion. And then knee flexion. Due to the length of the muscle fibers, it cannot perform both of these tasks at once.
Okay, now that we know the anatomy of the calf, what do we do with that information? So as we said, the soleus only crosses the ankle joint, and the gastroc crosses both the knee and the ankle. So in order to relax the gastroc and put more emphasis on the soleus, all we have to do is bend the knee like in a seated calf raise. Added tip, if you slide your knee farther underneath this, you'll put even the knee further into flexion, relaxing the gastroc more, as well as stretching the soleus more. Slow up. Good. Get one more repetition of that. Thank you. So to train the gastroc, what we have to do is lock the knee out, as in a standing calf raise or even in like a seated donkey raise type calf raise. Now research has shown that if we turn our toes out and heels together, that we will engage the medial head of the gastroc more. However, if we turn the toes out or turn the toes in and heels out, we won't gauge the lateral head anymore. So how do we engage the lateral head? Research has shown that foot width, the width of your stance actually has a greater impact on which head is emphasized. So by going wider, we get more lateral head. And then if she shifts her feet back to the center, we get more medial, turn straight. We get more medial head. Added bonus, if when you're in the stretched position, you squeeze your butt, you'll get more of a stretch on the fascia. When it comes to training calves, stretch is crucial. Thanks for watching. Up, back.